Hey everyone, welcome to the 2026 golf season here at the Sugarbush Resort Golf Club. I'm Roger King, the head golf professional, and what a difference 8 months makes. So back in September of 2025, we had a catastrophic fire, but as you can see, a lot of things are happening here. So look at this beautiful temporary structure that we're working on. Hopefully we'll be ready to go by 4th of July weekend. In that building, when it does open, it will have a pro shop, bathrooms, a kitchen, restaurant, bar, a beautiful deck facing our amazing views at the Sugarbush Resort. This temporary structure will be here for the next at least 2 golf seasons, 26 and 27. Blueprints are being drawn up as we speak regarding our permanent structure. Our facility, when it's all said and done, is going to be more functional. It's going to be more beautiful. It's going to be more user-friendly for you folks that come here, whether it's golf, food, events. That being said, in the meantime, we're going to be in some temporary structures. We have the food truck. We'll be serving food and beverage. We will have retail items, golf balls, gloves, tees, shirts, and hats. So come and see us. We'd love to have you. If you look over here, look at those beautiful stripes. Jerry Weber and his crew have been out getting the golf course ready. It came out of the winter in beautiful shape, and we're very, very excited for what 2026 has to hold. So we're opening up this coming weekend for our amazing ski and tee weekend. So you can ski and then come golf. The driving range is going to be operational once we open. For those of you that have joined, can't wait to see you. If you haven't joined, 4-packs are on sale now, so you can go online and get 4-pack to play with us this summer. You know, I can speak for the golf staff. Myself and Matt Schwartz, we are excited about the future. We're excited about the golf course, and we'd love to have you guys come and join us.